No, it's not what you think. It's much, much worse.
Jesus.
Jesus! Where?
Ready with the 1-2 check.
One gigantic motherfucker.
Fucking hell. What a fucking cockhead.
What a fuckhead. What an absolute bastard.
Picked her up for the first date. Don't wanna jinx it, but so far it's going really great. Get to the movie, romantic comedy. My stomach rumbles and my dinner starts to haunt me. There is no hiding this fart is coming out. The best thing I can do is see if I can squeak it out. Wait for the loud part, lift up my leg and start. Ease it out and hope that this is just a silent dart. Now this is where it all went wrong. 'Cause when I started pushing, instead of a simple gaseous dance, I shit my pants. I don't know why I even took that chance. I shit my pants. I don't know why I ever took that chance. Now they smell the air and start to look at me, so I do the same and blame the guy beside me. The movie's ending now, oh what a circumstance. For the love of God, why did I wear these white pants? And as I stand up, she looks down, and I know that it's over. 'Cause where it should be white, it's brown. And I shit my pants. I don't know why I even took that chance. I shit my pants. I don't know why I even took that chance. I shit my pants. I crap my pants. I saw my pants.
Dickhead. Fucking dickhead.
And that's how you do it. The 10K, no repeat work day. Not one big chunk of 10 grand won by one person, but we're spreading the love. And there's
What
been,
a
I think, 17
dickhead.
winners so far.
I know about it being rigged. You serious, you dickhead? Bing, bing, bing. Unbelievable.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
A few moments later.
Yeah, right. And he goes, oh, one of our sisters will be
man. People dumb.
Yeah.
Couldn't have waited that one little second. What are they honking at? You got the right of way.
Fuck you.
What are they
My
honking?
right of way, dickwad.
What are they honking at? Are they dumb?
Yeah.
I think they need to go back to school.
Proton? Wow, that's something about me. The fuck?
Once you woke up late in the morning light, and the day had just begun. Open up your eyes, the thoughts, go on the morning.
The fucking red light, guys! What the fuck? What in the gay...
Fucking red.
Block file.
$40K, buddy.
Block file.
No indication. Got his dash cam.
Feel that engine knocking. We both seen. We both seen.